Fitbit Luxe Advanced Health and Wellness Tracker pricing explained what you get for your money. The Fitbit Luxe costs around, and most people assume it's just a basic fitness tracker. The surprising truth is that it combines style, health monitoring, and smart features in a sleek, lightweight device. It tracks steps, calories burned, sleep quality, heart rate, and stress management. The Fitbit Luxe also includes guided breathing sessions, menstrual health tracking, and integration with Fitbit Premium for personalized insights. Its AMOLED display and jewelry-like design make it suitable for everyday wear, not just workouts. For your money, you're getting a versatile wellness tool that encourages healthy habits while looking stylish. It's ideal for anyone who wants more than a simple step counter but doesn't need a full smartwatch. In conclusion, Fitbit Luxe provides excellent value for a health-conscious lifestyle. It's a tracker that blends functionality, insights, and aesthetics in a single wearable device.